Hello, welcome to the Fam Show, and my name is Chef Lando, owner of Enclave. This episode, we're going to highlight one of my personal favorite functional spices, not only because it's used heavily in Vietnamese cuisine, it's been touted as one of the most powerful medicinal foods, and it only tastes good with other spices. Now, there's some kind of profound beauty to that thought, and that spice is turmeric. Turmeric, also known as Curcuma aromatica, is a plant of the ginger family and native to Southeast Asia. If you're ever so lucky to have seen a living turmeric plant, it produces one of the most stunning flowers. It also produces a rhizome, which is a stem found underground, which is harvested and celebrated for centuries as both food and medicine. Turmeric has resurfaced within the health and nutrition communities thanks to curcumin, the healing bioactive compound which supplies its beautiful, vibrant golden color and medicinal properties. More recently, science has started to back up what Indians and Asians have known for a very long time. It really does contain medicinal properties, and it's actually been used medicinally for over 4,000 years. In Ayurvedic medicine, inhaling fumes from burning turmeric is said to alleviate congestion. The juice aids to heal wounds, and the paste is applied to all sorts of skin conditions. In traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is known as Yu Jin, which stimulates circulation and helps relieve pain, improve digestion. One of the major determining factors in overall health is inflammation. Inflammation is caused by poor food choices, environmental toxins, and stress. If our bodies are constantly inflamed, we will be more vulnerable to disease, fall to illness, and shorten our lifespan. Therefore, it's imperative we enjoy more herbs and spices like turmeric that is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties. Also, it's one of the most important ingredients in curry, which I strongly believe gives that sense of nourishment and healing. Plus, it's absolutely delicious.